Dreaded taskbar not working or not showing up at all. Step 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer, right-click, and choose Restart. Step 2. Check for Windows updates. An outdated system can sometimes cause taskbar issues. Make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. Step 3. Create a new user account. If the taskbar issues persist, creating a new user account can be a workaround. Open Settings, go to Accounts, and add a new user. Step 4. Use the System File Checker, SFC. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type SFC Scan Now to scan and repair system files. And there you have it. These steps should help you troubleshoot and fix the taskbar not working or not showing issue on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other Windows 11 issues you'd like us to tackle, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.